Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Infotech, the channel where we dive deep into the world of innovative technologies that are reshaping our lives. Today, we have an exciting lineup to share with you. We're exploring the latest trends and advancements in construction technologies that have taken building to a whole new level. From bridging the gap solutions to cutting-edge materials, these developments are revolutionizing the way we construct our world. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through the most fascinating construction technologies of our time. Styropor. Turkey. A nation with a passion for construction, issuing permits for over 550,000 apartments in just 1 year. To stand out in this bustling industry, innovative methods are key. Enter Styropor, a brilliant combination of bricks and expanded polystyrene that's setting new standards in energy-efficient building. With exterior walls being a major source of heat loss, Styropor addresses this issue head-on. Its unique system utilizes both bricks and expanded polystyrene as thermal insulators, effectively reducing electricity costs for future occupants. This system allows construction in any region of Turkey without the need for additional insulation, making it incredibly adaptable. The flexibility in wall sizes and thicknesses, along with its durability and added sound insulation, make Styropor a true game changer. And let's not forget its eco-friendly approach, aligning with global sustainability goals. Geoplast new Elevator foundations are the backbone of any construction project, and Geoplast new Elevator is taking this crucial aspect to a whole new level. With its cutting-edge design and sustainable materials, this technology is revolutionizing the way foundations are created. Let's dive into the details of this groundbreaking innovation. Geoplast new Elevator introduces an eco-friendly and efficient solution for creating foundations. Made from recycled polypropylene, these tubes can be adjusted in height and diameter according to the project's needs. This technology is suitable for projects of all sizes, from private residences to expansive campuses. As urbanization continues to shape our world, Geoplast new Elevator addresses the demand for sustainable and versatile foundation solutions. With its ease of use and adaptability, it ensures that construction projects can be completed efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. Flow. Kicking off our list is an ingenious solution for standalone sewage and wastewater systems. Imagine a modular septic tank that's not only practical but environmentally friendly too. Meet Flow, a game changer in septic technology. This system features perforated flexible pipes, special expanded polystyrene aggregate, and a geotextile mesh. But what sets it apart? Let's dive into the details. What's remarkable about Flow is its simplicity and versatility. The modular design allows for easy installation, whether placed in parallel or stacked, overcoming obstacles in the working area. With just two lengths, 1 and 3 meters, transport and installation become a breeze. Plus, the scalability of these tanks, with diameters of up to 46 centimeters, makes them suitable for various projects. And let's not forget the eco-friendly aspect. Flow is made from recycled materials, contributing to both construction efficiency and environmental sustainability. Manufacturers and customers alike are playing their part in building a better planet. Switchboard Ultra PVCU. Picture this, a composite decking solution that doesn't bend, warp, or rot, and stays as good as new for years to come. That's what Switchboard Ultra PVCU brings to the table. With a thickness of 37 millimeters, this technology is here to redefine how we enjoy outdoor spaces. Made from PVCU without plasticizers, this composite decking is not only durable, but also environmentally safe. It's resistant to rust, liquids, and even doesn't require painting or sanding. But the benefits don't stop there. Switchboard Ultra PVCU has successfully passed rigorous tests for fire resistance, abrasion, and slip resistance, ensuring both safety and longevity. ACO Ground Guard. Whether it's parking lots, campgrounds, or areas with heavy vehicular traffic, effective ground reinforcement is vital. Introducing ACO Ground Guard, a 2-in-1 grid system that not only reinforces soil, but also ensures smooth water drainage. Let's dig deeper into this innovative technology. ACO Ground Guard offers a load-bearing capacity of 250 tons per square meter, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. But what sets it apart? The environmental consideration. The grids are made from recycled polyethylene, making it a sustainable choice. Its clip system allows easy installation, and with a capacity of 112 pieces per pallet, it's well equipped for even the largest parking lots. 3D printed clay blocks. Clay, a timeless building material, meets cutting-edge technology in 3D printed clay blocks. Imagine creating structures without traditional formwork, with layers of clay material seamlessly forming walls and roofs. This innovation, showcased at an architectural festival, is making waves in construction. With a mixture of clay, cement, lime, and water, a robot layers the material like toothpaste, allowing for diverse and creative construction possibilities. This technology eliminates the need for conventional formwork, making it faster, more versatile, and cost-effective. At the festival, a roof for a small pavilion was 3D printed, showcasing the potential of this method. Precast concrete box culvert. Infrastructure projects demand reliable solutions that can withstand the test of time. Precast concrete box culverts are the answer to efficient and durable stormwater management systems. Let's uncover the details of this advanced technology. Versatility is the key feature of these sections, protecting water and sewer pipes as well as storm drains. With customizable sizes, they cater to diverse projects, from bridges and pedestrian tunnels to subways, warehouses, and shelters. The precast section's reliability and adaptability ensure that they're a go-to solution for various construction needs. Spin screed. Concrete placement is an art that requires precision and expertise. Enter Spin Screed, a revolutionary solution that simplifies the process and ensures a smooth, level surface. But what sets this tool apart? Let's dive into its features and benefits. Spin Screed offers a clean and accurate screeding process, even for inexperienced workers. It eliminates the need for complex formwork and vibratory screeds. With roller lengths ranging from 1.2 to 6.7 meters, it caters to various project sizes. The electric version, with rapid battery charging, and the fuel-powered version make it a versatile choice. Zellage. Architecture often draws inspiration from the past to shape the future. Case in point, Zellage tiles. Originating in 10th century Morocco, these tiles have transcended time to become a hallmark of contemporary design. But what makes them so special? Let's uncover the art and craft behind these intricate pieces. Handmade from raw clay and painted with intricate designs, Zellage tiles were once exclusive due to their labor-intensive production. Today, factories produce these tiles, keeping their cultural significance intact. Using traditional techniques like sun-drying and kiln baking, these tiles bring a touch of history to modern architecture. With over 70 designs available, Zellage tiles have not only retained their popularity in Morocco, but have also found their way to Europe and beyond. It's a fascinating blend of old-world charm and contemporary aesthetics. Certis. Windows are more than just a way to see the world outside. They're key elements in energy-efficient homes. Certis takes window innovation to the next level with its cutting-edge design and waterproofing technology. Let's explore how Certis is revolutionizing the way we experience windows. Certis windows aren't just about providing natural light. They're engineered for top-notch waterproofing. Whether through classic roof-level installation or a recessed approach, these windows offer an unparalleled level of protection against leaks. With an array of installation options, Certis ensures that its windows blend seamlessly with any roofing material. Solid or Sola switch. Rooftops and facades often house important utilities and access points that need protection. Solid or Sola switch is an innovative solution designed to cover such access points with elegance and ease. Let's explore how this technology is redefining roof and facade access. With a clever design, Solid or Sola switch offers a secure yet accessible solution for concealed access points. The plastic triangles, easily mounted on screws, can be shifted using tools like a putty knife. This allows for quick access to concealed areas without compromising aesthetics. Excel jointer. Rooftop installations often involve complex processes, and ensuring a seamless installation is crucial. Excel Jointer, an innovative solution, is here to simplify the process and provide a reliable solution for various rooftop installations. Let's dive into the features and benefits of this technology. Excel Jointer is designed to provide airtight, watertight, and weatherproof seals for rooftop installations. Its versatility allows it to be used over loose, rusted bolts or directly over holes, eliminating the need for torches or adhesives. The primary material, ethylene propylene rubber, ensures durability and resistance to extreme temperatures. Ephesus Bolt Protect. Leaks and water infiltration can wreak havoc on roofs and facades, leading to extensive damage. Ephesus Bolt Protect is changing the game with its innovative membrane technology, ensuring superior waterproofing with minimal effort. Let's explore the details of this advanced solution. Ephesus Bolt Protect offers a simplified approach to waterproofing roofs and facades, without the need for torches or adhesives. With 3 components: a flexible skirting board, fastening, and sealants. The system allows for quick and easy installation, even over rusty bolts or holes. Ephesus Stopper. Rooftops offer untapped potential for creating functional spaces that enhance our living environments. Ephesus Stopper is a groundbreaking solution that revolutionizes rooftop transformation with its versatility and simplicity. Let's delve into how Ephesus Stopper is redefining the way we utilize rooftops. Ephesus Stopper introduces a versatile method for creating access and service areas on rooftops. Its flexible design and application process allow for easy shaping and adapting to various rooftop geometries. Without the need for complex installation methods, Ephesus Stopper opens up endless possibilities for rooftop usage. Lift hoist. The world of construction often involves heavy lifting, and efficiency in this aspect can make a significant difference. Lift hoist, an ingenious hybrid of ladder and hoist, is revolutionizing the way heavy objects are lifted and transported. Let's explore how this technology is transforming construction sites. Lift hoist offers 2 models with different capacities, making it suitable for a wide range of construction needs. From solar panels to plywood, this technology provides secure transportation and lifting solutions. With electric and gasoline-powered options, along with various lifting sections, it ensures versatility and efficiency on the construction site. Velux EWR Flashing/Insulating Set XDP Thermo. Tight spaces can often be a challenge when it comes to maintenance and access. Velux EWR Flashing/Insulating Set XDP Thermo is changing the game by offering an elegant and efficient solution for confined spaces. Let's dive into the details of this innovative access solution. With its unique triangular design, this set allows access to spaces under wooden decks or roofs. Its versatility lies in its simple yet effective mechanism. Plastic triangles mounted on screws provide easy shifting for access without compromising security. Whether it's for maintenance or utility access, Velux EWR Flashing/Insulating Set XDP Thermo is a smart choice. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. A comprehensive look at construction technologies that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. These technologies are reshaping the way we build our world. As we conclude our journey through these remarkable advancements, remember to stay tuned to Infotech for more exciting insights into the world of technology. Until next time.